stay today, hug on my family, tell them I love them, just to fly back and be gone for 2 weeks. Come back the next week when I touch down in Detroit, funeral the next day. You know,
I want to piggyback on some of the stuff that Jevon talked about. One of the things that I like that he just mentioned, I think with independent film, it's so much easier to reach the decision makers in the independent film industry, right? Because you can just go follow them and DM them. We're all coming up in this game, so we're always looking for fresh new talent. So a lot of times we do go and look at our DMs and add, versus you trying to go to Steven Spielberg, see who, you know, his casting director is, and reach out to them directly 9 times.
Action.
Let me tell you something. You ain't got to get up. Let me just tell you something. The Tooth Fairy, biggest hustler I ever met. And I ain't never met him. You know how many teeth I lost as a kid? 11. You know how much I got? $3 and some lint. And this one time, she had the nerve enough to give me a Canadian coin. And I'm from Detroit. What I supposed to do with that? Now my cousin Reggie,
With a monologue, you want to pull people in to you.
okay.
So when you move a lot, that's distracting.
No, I'm just asking. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
There's no wrong way to answer how y'all feel. That's what y'all got?
yeah,
Okay.
Towards the middle, we kind of,
Yes, sir.
Lost you?
yeah.
You telling a story. Storytelling has a different tone, right? Even if you're telling the story as a joke. When comedians tell story jokes, their tone, their texture, the way they present it is totally different. They're animated.
That's what I was moving. But I hear you. Go ahead.
But I'm saying do it without the move. Y'all know the biggest hustler is the Tooth Fairy. Oh, wait, just hear me out. Think about it. She get all these teeth, and for me, I only got $3 and some lint. But for my cousin, on the other hand, this nigga made $10,000 in 1 year. He ain't even got that many teeth. You feel me?
Right.
But I don't know how. The nigga told me I keep my room clean. And then I'm like, what the hell wrong with you? Like, what you looking at us for? But if I'm sitting like this, and I'm like,
You all right, Jevon?
you get what I'm saying? Other than me sitting there, I'm like,
I got you.
that's too much.
That's somebody that wants you to notice.
It's like, are you okay? What's up? What? What you want to tell us? We know that something wrong. What? What's going on? Like your kids at home when they do too much, like, what? What you need? You sitting here, you crying, what's going on? What's the problem? Got it? Ready? All right. Put the binoculars up, come on.
Tooth Fairy leaving 10s and 20s up underneath his pillow like she owed him back taxes or something. I say, nigga, how you do that? He say, I keep my room clean and leave a note with my teeth on the pillow. I said, shit, I should have been security, a dentist. Saying, I messed up now.
That was good.
Yeah, how you doing, Doc? Not as good as I'm gonna be. What's your prognosis? Said what? What stage? Six months.
You pick this monologue.
Want something touching, something to make you feel.
How do you make the audience touch and feel what you're saying?
Facial.
Hmm?
Facial.
And how do you bring that across if you putting your head down? Can I see your face?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? I'm saying, can I see your face?
Not at the time.
What am I seeing? You did the monologue, and you was 30 seconds into it. What was the most thing you think I said?
Putting my head down.
The top of your head. 6 months to live. Am I putting my head down or am I? Stage is it? Other than the obvious. This is the obvious bad news gesture. When somebody died, you got a call that somebody died. Did you do that? Or did you sit back or did you, what? Hold on. So, before this happened, in your mind, something had to transpire for you to even take this test. So where's your mental at with being called back? In most cases, we know when the doctor calls us back, it ain't gonna be something good. So even in waiting, I need to know that you waiting in a doctor's office over waiting in a subway station or in a train doctor like you.
Well, I picture myself at his desk.
Oh, okay.
I was picturing waiting, that's why I looked up.
Okay.
You know, like that.
I didn't know, I thought you in the actual doctor's office in the,
No, I pictured I
Patient.
was in his.
Okay, I
his
didn't know.
office and
That's what I said, I didn't know.
When he came, yeah, so.
cause even at being at the thing, if you sitting on the chair that's L-shaped, you sitting here, the doctor come in and come walking past you, you doing the little stuff that's over here, you still looking at the doctor, so I didn't know you was actually sitting down, so it's cool. Ready?
Yep.
Action.
How you doing today, Doc? Yeah, I'm back, man. So, what's the results? Cancer. What?
Do me a favor, do it all over again, don't blink.
Okay.
And two, start off up and then go back. When you start off back, it doesn't show the same effect. So when you start off up, it shows a reaction of your body by sitting back. If you already start up, you have nowhere to go. So if you start up here, get out of here. What did you want to talk to me about?
Is it a workout? Is it a diet change?
Let's get in there. I have a question though.
Yes.
You know anybody that died from cancer?
Yeah.
Did they know how long they had to live?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
How did they react?
To be honest, not like that. Not really.
So, this is the thing, and as an actor, it's
Excuse me, I'm sorry, but the person that I knew, they reaction.
The problem again is, I think I be doing it right, and if nobody never tell me, then I continue to think I'm doing it right. But I love the way that this is, I mean, but I ain't gonna take away from your time, go ahead.
You ready?
No, y'all keep talking, I gotta breathe it in, breathe out.
Oh, no, I pretty much was done anyway. It's just, that's why I go to different people too,
So
cause I pick
it's-
up different stuff. But
The thing is, being natural. The hardest things people have is being natural.
Sides. How much of that would you do for the
What you mean? Give me an example.
Okay, so I got 2 sides for an audition, but it's like, I think it's like 3 pages per side. Should I do
So 6 pages, the same person?
It's 2, I'm interacting with 2 different people, but I'm the same person.
You're the same person in 2 sides?
Yeah.
You have to do all of them.
Okay. I wasn't
So
sure.
the reason why they're doing that, like, did I get rid of it? I think I got rid of it. The reason for that is, oh no. One of them is here. That one. So, each scene is the same person, but it's showing different ranges.
What? Stand up for you?
Yes, that's my brother.
Well, don't take it out on me.
Then who else do I take it out on it, huh?
Him. I'm not the one you're mad at, Michael.
I had it handled.
Like you're handling it right now.
It wasn't part of the plan. As a matter of fact, it's explicitly against the plan.
What's really stopping you right now? Your rules?
For what?
Or the fact that if your family found out about us, they'd write you off for falling for a stripper?
Oh, please. Come on now. We both know that you wouldn't be here if I wasn't paying you.
Do we both know that? Or is that just how you see me?
Every time I think I got one, it ends up getting cold right before I get some.
You'll get something soon, sweetheart.
Yeah. I hope so. They threaten to cut back so we don't get anything.
But they do that to you all the time.
Yeah, but baby, it's different this time. This time it's coming directly from the marriage. The election is coming up, and him having a serial killer on the loose is jeopardizing his position.